An active day on satellite and radar in South Mississippi as we have a tornado warning in Simpson County right now. By 4:50, Gum Springs, you need to be in your safe spot. And by 5 o'clock, Everett, you need to be in your safe spot then. Earlier, we had this confirmed tornado in Marion and Lamar County near Columbia and Sumrall. These are just some of the locations that may be affected. If you're in Bogan or Merritt along US 49, you need to be in your safe spot right now. If you live in Mendenhall, just in the next couple minutes, you need to get in your safe spot because it's going to be right on top of you just shortly. If you live in Santorum by 5:08, you need to get in your safe spot probably now and just sit this one on out. The storm's going to continue moving northeast to the I-59 corridor as well. So if you live anywhere downstream, you need to make sure to have that safe spot ready to go to. We got some storms developing behind this tornado warning as well along the I-55 corridor. And these are going to be moving east-northeast into the Pine Belt. And we may see a tornado warning or two pop up still as we head into this evening. It's a quite active weather pattern. Make sure you have that plan and you are staying weather aware as we head into this evening. And as you may know, this area is no stranger to tornadoes. That tornado warning in Simpson County is still ongoing. It's producing rain, hail, and potentially a tornado. Make sure you have a bicycle helmet, potentially a mattress on top of you. Tornado warning near Macomb. As I said, there may be tornado warnings that pop up with these special weather statements, and there actually has been one issued within the last couple minutes. You see these notches I'm talking about? This is where a possible tornado will be, and that's what we are looking for. So this tornado warning will probably be extended downstream because the presence of rotation is still there. However, this tornado warning has passed the US 49 corridor and is headed east-northeast towards the I-59 corridor now. So if you live anywhere between those two corridors, make sure you have your safety plan in place and make sure you're ready to get in your safe spot. Areas such as Cohay, Mize, and Bay Springs, you need to be ready to get in your safe spot because those storms are just going to move to the east, northeast. I'll keep you updated as we go throughout this evening because we're just getting started and these storms are going to last into midnight and maybe into the early morning hours. Make sure you're in your safe spot if you're out in Walthall County right now because there is a possible tornado on the ground. If you live in Friendship by 617, you need to be in that lowest interiormost room or basement if you have one. Williamsburg by 623, you need to be in that safe spot as well. Liberty by 625 and Rock Hill by 626. These storms are following along the US 49 corridor and the I-59 corridor. This is a hotbed for tornadoes, and it's continuing to be that way tonight as we've already had one or two confirmed tornadoes in this area. And these storms are heading northeast. So if you're in any of these areas downstream, make sure you have your plan in place and know where you are going to shelter. You see that couplet? That's what we look for whenever we look for a tornado. Look for that velocity signature, and that is strengthening. So that's why that tornado warning will last until 6:45. So you have about 30 minutes still left to go if you're downstream that tornado warning. Not much on the debris signature. However, we have this little dot of yellow, which may indicate some debris is starting to be lofted